It may surprise you that the fastest muscle cars of 1971 were almost as quick as those produced in 1970. However, it probably won't shock you to learn that they all outperformed muscle cars in 1972. In fact, there was only a 0.20 second gap between the fastest muscle car of 1970 and that of 1971. The quickest muscle car of 1970, the 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda, completed a quarter-mile run in 13.10 seconds. Meanwhile, the quickest muscle car of 1971, the 1971 Ford Torino Cobra 429 SCJ, did the same in 13.30 seconds. Despite federal emission standards tightening and reducing compression ratios, performance muscle cars still thrived, even though their horsepower and torque ratings were somewhat diluted. While 1971 did mark the beginning of the end of the muscle car era, it wasn't quite the catastrophic death of high performance that many believe it to be. Introducing the fastest muscle cars of 1971, Ford, Plymouth, Dodge, Pontiac, and Oldsmobile produced the top 10 fastest 1971 muscle cars. They all posted impressive quarter-mile times, as noted by the leading automotive magazines of the time. Among these muscle cars, the Ford Torino Cobra 429 SCJ, Ford Mustang Mach-1 429 SCJ, and Plymouth Roadrunner Hemi continue to enjoy legendary status among car enthusiasts. To evaluate the performance of each model, we'll examine their cubic inch displacement, horsepower, torque, quarter-mile time, ET, and miles per hour. Let's start by exploring the top 10 fastest muscle cars of 1971 in rank order, shall we?